In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use microphone on PC with headphones. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be addressing all of the options that you have to use a microphone when you have either a headset or headphones connected. So first, for headphones that do not have a microphone attached, you will need to plug them in to hear the audio, so using the headphones, but then you will need another external microphone because, like I said, these sorts of basic headphones usually will not have microphones attached. If you have a specific headset that has a microphone, so instead of headphones you have a headset, usually they will include splitters like this where you will be plugging the headset into the splitter, and then you will have access to the audio and the microphone through two different ends. One of them is going to be colored pink, which most of the time refers to the microphone, and another one will be colored green, which refers to the audio. Like I said before, this is only going to be the case if you have a headset, so ones that have a microphone attached. If you have a plain set of headphones that does not have a microphone attached, then you will need an external microphone. There are various different options available out there. You can find some extremely cheap ones or other budget options like this Fifine one, which is the one that I'm using in this video. All that you have to do is plug them in using a USB or XLR cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the microphone and the other end goes into your PC, laptop, or any other compatible device like a console. By doing this, you will have access to the external microphone and you can hear the audio from your headphones. Of course, if you have headphones that do not have a microphone attached, then you need to purchase an external mic or purchase a headset. Besides that, there is no option to use a microphone if they aren't built into the headphones. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.